In today's video, let me show you how to use Airbnb's AirCover to protect your bookings. So before you book a listing inside of Airbnb, you need to know that Airbnb has a protection system which is called the AirCover, which is a free protection for guests as well as the host. You can get a 72-hour report issue if you have any sort of issues with your bookings. So in order to report this or get the AirCover, what you simply need to do is head over to the profile section, head over to Get Help and tap on Visit the Help Center. Once you're inside of the Help Center, tap on the search bar and you simply want to search for AirCover for guests. You can see the first article that is being displayed, which also says AirCover for guests. You can simply tap on this option. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and this is the exact steps that you'll need to do. First of all, you need to document the issue. So take pictures and videos of the exact issue that you're facing so that you can show Airbnb as proof. Now, before you can contact Airbnb, you can first of all try to contact or notify the host about the issue. If the host does not contact you or respond to your message, only then you can contact the Airbnb support team. So wait at least 72 hours before you contact the Airbnb support. If you do not get a response from the host even after 72 hours, you can come back to this section, tap on Contact Us, and it is going to open up the help section where you can report a issue. So you can exactly chat with the Airbnb support team where you can send the proof of the pictures and videos that you took. Make sure you address the exact issue that you faced so that Airbnb can sort out the issue and also possibly get you a refund. So using this exact process, you can use Airbnb's AirCover to protect your bookings. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.